and welcome to this Training 20. We have got a strength workout today, all focused around the upper body, pretty much all body weight apart from one exercise that's an advanced option anyway. If you haven't warmed up, then you can check the link below to get warmed up, because we're going to jump straight into this workout. You just need body weight apart from one exercise. How this workout's going to work. We've got 6 different exercises we're going to roll through, then we're going to go back through them and progressing them as we go. Some of them will get quite a bit more challenging, some of them won't change too much. That said, we're going to get straight into it. So we are our first pair of exercises. We have got a negative press up into downward dogs. So you're going to do these negative press ups with me. We're going to go for a 5 count down and then reset, sit back and back up. So I'll show you one now. So we're going to go down in a 5 count, but I'll count that slower than that. Then you reset back here, back into your press up position, and off you go again. You can do the exact same thing on your knees if you can't do full press ups, but these negatives are a great way to progress into your full press up. So unless you're really rubbish and just dropping from the top, go for kneeling. Otherwise it's fine if you drop a little bit at some point. That's the point we're trying to build up that press up. Here we go. So we're going 6 reps here, 5-second count. So with me. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you should be flat down. Reset back, straight back in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reset. 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reset. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reset. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reset. And 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reset there. That's 6. So that's our first exercise. We're going into a downward dog next. 8 reps here. What we're doing is in this position, shifting our hips up, trying to get our chest to our toes and back down into that plank position there, okay? 8 reps there with me when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Our next 2, we have got a plank reach up into a dolphin press. So plank reach up. You can do this on the knees as well, but if you can, you're coming onto the feet into this plank here, reaching up with one hand, back down and then onto the other side there, okay? So we have got 6 on each side. Bring yourself into the plank, off we go. 1. Nice control, do it with me. 2, keep those hips nice and level, not swaying. 3, and time it with me, take your time. 4, 5, 6. And then we've got a dolphin press, which is pretty much the exact same as a downward dog, apart from we're on the forearms. So have a quick look here, on the forearms, feet nice and wide, driving those hips up, chest to toes, and back down, working those back muscles. We've got 8 reps here as well, so bring yourself in, time it with me, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Final 2, we've got a pike press into crab. So pike press first. We're going into that downward dog position, that A-frame position, and we're going into a press. Now we don't want our hands by our heads and going super wide. My head's going to be aiming just in front of my hands, and I'm going to be going like diagonals with my arms rather than having my elbows nice and high. We want to keep them a bit lower. So I'll show you here. So notice how I come up into this downward dog. My head is aiming slightly in front of my hands. My elbows come diagonally backwards rather than directly out to the side, okay? We have got 6 reps here first of all. So bring yourself into this pike press and off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then finally we've got crabs, so turning it over, hands behind, fingers pointing away, feet flat, driving your hips up as high as you can into this tabletop position or crab position here. Up to there like so. We've got 8 reps there. So with me, 8 reps, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool, so there are 6 exercises. If you're here thinking that was nice and easy, then don't worry, it's going to get a lot harder. If you think that was really hard, then that's the level you're going to stick to. You don't have to make any of these progressions. So the press up first, negative press ups, rather than resetting, we're just going to push ourselves back up as the progression. So I'll show you here, we're going to go for that 5 count down, rather than resetting, straight back up from that floor, okay? 6 reps here, 5-second count, off we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, straight back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, straight back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. There we go. We're into our downward dogs. This time you're going to use your bed, a chair or a sofa. Put your feet on something. We're going to go elevated downward dogs. So I'll show you here. Feet on, like so. Shifting up those hips like we were doing. So up and back down. We've got 8 reps there when you're ready. So off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring yourselves back down. We're going into our plank reach ups next. The way you can make this harder is weighted. So using a weight not too heavy, you want it nice and controlled like I'll show you here. So I've only got like a 10 here. Feet nice and wide, up, and then alternating sides like so, okay? So we have got 6 on each side here. Grab a weight or continue as you were. Off we go. Keep it with me still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool, we're back into our dolphin press. I don't even know if you can do this one on the box, you know. Let's give it a go. So feet back on the sofa. Onto that dolphin press. Driving those hips up here and back down. Cool, we've got 8 reps here, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Forgot to test that one out. Pike press next. Now this one is a common one to do with your feet up. So elevated pike press, we're going for 6 reps. Exactly the same as that downward dog. We're on the hands. Coming into this position here, we've got 6 press in this position, like so. Okay, so 6 reps with me, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring yourselves down. We're finishing off with a crab reach. So 8 doubles like we started with. And next we're going to go 6 on each side reaches. So 1 hand in the middle, you reach up with 1 hand. 1, getting those hips nice and high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swap it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. So that is round 2 done. We've still got some ways to make some of them harder. Some of them will probably stay the same. But bring yourself back. We're going back into those press ups. These ones are staying the same. So here we go. Into that press up here. 5 count down, off we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6. Awesome, nice. So downward dogs, going back onto that box and actually struggled. Straight back in here. 8 reps. Nice strong plank to start. Drive up those hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice one. Right, we are into our plank reach ups. Now we're going to take this, instead of using the weight, we're going to do our feet on the box here too. So here we are, feet on the box. Keep that balance, reaching up and back. 1, 2, stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So dolphin press, feet back on. Here we go, 8 reps here. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've got the pike press next. Feet on the box if you can. If you're a psychopath, feet on the wall. So how you do this one is literally feet up against, bend those legs into this pike position here, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. back into that crab reach. 6 on each side or 8 doubles here. Off we go. 1, sorry I forgot. Throwing in a weight if you can. So we're here, holding that weight up. Big push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Swap it over. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to get one more round. Woo. Quick sit. We may run over 20 minutes, that's alright. Final press ups. Of course, feet on the box as the extra level. Same 5 count, 6 reps. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. 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 Last 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Actually ran out of room there, took me not as long with the press. So, downward dogs next. 8 reps here. Feet back on. Final ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plank reach ups. Of course, we're going to combine the 2. Feet on the box, weight in front of you. If you can, if you've got something close, narrow like mine, it's going to be tough. But find that balance. Keep that core strong. Here we go. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Dolphin press. Next, final dolphin press. Woo. Feet on the box, on the forearms. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 2. Whew. 1 minute to go. Pike press. For me, is on the wall, which I'm not looking forward to one bit. Feet on the box or on the floor if you struggle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, last one. 6. Horrendous. And then we got crabs. 6 on each side with that weight. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 minutes, 20 seconds. Whew. That was a killer. So that's the point though. So we gave you loads of levels there. If you stayed on level 1 for everything and found it super tough, then great. That's where we want to be. If you stayed on level 1 and fly through it and looking at me gassed, then you weren't working hard enough. You got to push yourself as much as you can. Find your level at the same time, make sure you can do it and do it properly. That last round, whew, was a killer. I hope you enjoyed that one. I'm not sure I did. And I will catch you on the next one. Thanks guys.